Just 2 weeks, yes, only 2 weeks, after launching Open Mainnet, Pi Network has already made history. We're talking about a project that skyrocketed into the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization faster than anyone ever expected. And guess what? According to CoinMarketCap, Pi Network is now sitting at the 11th spot. That's right, 11th. This is unprecedented, and today, we're diving deep into what this means for you, for PiCoin, and for the future of this ecosystem. But let me ask you this. Where do you see PiCoin's price going in the next few months? Do you think it can break into the top 10? Maybe even challenge some of the biggest players in the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you've missed any of our previous updates, make sure to check out the links in the description to catch up on the latest Pi Network developments. And while you're at it, let's see some excitement in the comments. Type Pi Network to the moon and let us know where you're watching from. We love to see pioneers from all around the world coming together. Your support means everything to us, so don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow pioneers and subscribe to the channel. That way, we can keep bringing you the latest and most exciting updates on Pi Network as they unfold. Oh, and one more thing. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice of any kind, so always do your own research before making any decisions. Now let's get started. 2 weeks, just 2 weeks. That's all it took for Pi Network to break into the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization after launching Open Mainnet. Let that sink in for a moment. 2 weeks. According to CoinMarketCap, Pi Network now ranks 11th. A mind-blowing milestone for a project that many outsiders once doubted. No other cryptocurrency in history has achieved such a feat this fast. But let's keep it real. We're still behind giants like XRP, Solana, and Binance Coin, and of course Bitcoin remains the king. So what now? Do we just sit around hoping for PiCoin's price to skyrocket? Do we blame the PiCore team for not magically making it worth hundreds of dollars overnight? Or do we, as true pioneers, take action? The truth is, PiCoin's value isn't something that will just happen. It's something we build. The real question is, what are we doing to make Pi Network thrive? Some pioneers are out there actively contributing, while others are just waiting for something to happen. But here's the thing, Pi Network is unlike any other project. We're not just users, we're partners in this ecosystem. It's up to us to help shape the future of PiCoin. And if we do this right, we're not just making history, we're creating something that could redefine the global financial system. So, let's talk about what really drives PiCoin's value. It all comes down to one thing, demand. If people, businesses, and institutions need PiCoin, if they see real-world value in it, its price will naturally increase. But why would anyone want PiCoin right now? What can they do with it? Let's be honest, Fireside Forum, Pi Network's social platform, is still growing. Sure, we have Web3 domain bidding now, but they won't be fully functional until Pi 2 Day, June 28th. So, at this moment, there's still a gap between potential and actual utility. Right now, most of the market activity is pioneers trading PiCoin back and forth, and let's be clear, that alone doesn't create real value. Buying and selling among ourselves is just recycling coins. It's not true demand. That's why dynamic pegging was activated. The demand wasn't high enough, so the system automatically adjusted. Some pioneers had their transferred PiCoins recalled, causing the circulating supply to drop from 7.23 billion to 6.89 billion. But despite that, the price still declined. And here's the hard truth. Releasing all PiCoins into the market at once without strong demand would only make things worse. Some people are frustrated asking why their PiCoins haven't been returned, but think about it. Would you rather sell 1,000 Pi at 50 cents or 100 Pi at $5? The dynamic pegging mechanism exists to stabilize and protect the network. And let's be clear, this is a smart contract built into the blockchain. No protests or complaints can change it. It's an automated system designed to ensure the long-term survival of Pi Network. But here's what we need to focus on: growing the ecosystem. The PiCore team is working non-stop to improve the blockchain, launch new features, and create more real-world use cases. They're doing their part. But what about us? If you want PiCoin to be worth $100, then we need to get Pi Network to 1 billion users. That's the simple truth. The price of PiCoin will always be determined by demand, and demand comes from adoption. So what's your role in this? If you truly see yourself as a partner in this ecosystem, what are you doing to help expand it? This isn't just about waiting for the PiCore team to make the price go up. It's about actively contributing to Pi Network's growth. Spread the word, educate others, help businesses see the value in using Picoin, and most importantly, make sure people understand the vision behind this project. This isn't just another cryptocurrency, this is a movement, a revolution in the making, and we are the ones who will determine its success. The hardest part? We've already conquered it. Growing from 1 million to 10 million users was tough, but going from 100 million to 110 million? That's much easier. Pi Network has a fully functioning blockchain. It's listed on major exchanges. It's standing among the top cryptocurrencies in the world. And now it's up to us to push it forward. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. For the first time, ordinary people, not just the wealthy, can shape the future of money. Traditionally, governments and banks have controlled currency, favoring those with wealth and influence. Pi Network offers an alternative, a decentralized system where everyone has a fair chance to participate. Unlike traditional currencies, Pi is built for the people, by the people, giving everyone a fair chance to be part of the next evolution of money. With a system that is accessible, inclusive, and resistant to manipulation by powerful entities, Pi has the potential to redefine the way we think about financial freedom. Imagine a world where financial power is distributed, rather than concentrated in the hands of a few. A world where economic opportunity is no longer determined by birthright, privilege, or institutional control, but by participation and community engagement. Pi Network empowers individuals to take control of their financial future, ensuring that wealth is not just a privilege of the elite, but a shared resource for all who contribute. This is more than just an experiment in digital currency. It is a movement toward a fairer, more inclusive global economy. By joining now, you are not only securing your place in this new system, but also playing a role in shaping a financial landscape that could benefit generations to come. The future of money is no longer dictated by a select few. It is in the hands of the people. With Pi Network, this vision becomes possible. By engaging in this movement now, you are not just securing your place in a new digital economy. You are helping to build a system that could benefit future generations. This is more than just a currency, it is a shift in how value is created and shared. If we do this right, we have the potential to redefine economic fairness, ensuring that wealth and opportunity are no longer limited to the privileged few. The future of money is in our hands. There are over 8 billion people in the world. Even with 100 million pioneers, we're just 1.25% of the global population. Imagine what could happen when we grow to 500 million or a billion users. The potential is enormous, but it's up to us to make it happen. So let's not wait for the PiCore team to do everything. Let's take action, share the vision, educate others, help businesses adopt Picoin. Because when we build demand, we build value. One day you'll look back at this moment and realize you were part of something revolutionary. You'll tell your children and grandchildren that you helped shape the future of money. And when that day comes, you'll know it was all worth it. So, pioneers, let's make history together.